Hi guys, welcome to this video. I'm sure you've probably seen some sort of advert like this where we're giving our free lead generation system and all the guides away. So I thought I'd jump on and explain exactly what it does for you so you can determine whether you want to download it or not. So what it can do is it can take data sources like Apollo, LinkedIn and Google Maps from a simple URL and then take that data, scrape the data and upload it to high level, send emails at scale to that data, use AI to reply or book appointments, and then continue to feed itself. So you feed it with more data and it will continue to work 24/7 non-stop, generating you leads. However, obviously it needs some plug-in and playing with. But don't worry, if you're new and not too techie, we've got a full school community where we're going to give you the step-by-step process of installing each part of the system. Because if you don't do one part of the system, it's not going to work. You need to do each part to make it work. And the first part is obviously the data sourcing. Apollo is totally free. It's not going to cost you any money to use Apollo. LinkedIn, you've probably already got it. Google Maps is also free. Between here, there's obviously an NAN automation and there's an amplifier in the background that's working. It's going to cost you money to scrape. High level obviously costs you money to use. Email scale, to send emails at scale, also is going to cost you to land in the inbox, and the AI bots are going to cost you money. So if you think this is just a free, cheap system, think again. It's going to cost you money to make it actually work, but it's going to generate you leads and it's going to generate you an income. So there's a number of things you can do with it. One, you can sell it as an agency, so you can plug it and sell it to businesses as a ready-made lead generation system for their businesses and just make some money on top of all the little softwares that you need to make it run. Or you can plug it into your own high-level account and make leads for yourself. So there's obviously a number of different ways to do that. But what it's designed to do is generate leads on tap 24/7, 365. You just feed it with leads. It then takes it through the automation. It then sends them, AI replies, and it totally works on itself. So as long as you've identified who your ideal client is, and then you scrape the data for that, and you've got the good offer, there's nothing stopping you from generating leads. So let's just jump in and go through the data sources. We are going to be adding more data sources for you, totally free again, but these are the first ones that we're going to start with. Apollo is a data platform that allows you to target B2B leads and provide you all of that information. It costs lots of money to run. However, this system runs on the totally free version because all you need to do is take that URL, upload it to the system, and it will find and scrape all the information that you need. So don't worry. It's not that complicated, and within our school community, we'll show you how to use Apollo and how to get the data you want. LinkedIn, we haven't finished yet of recording this video, but it will be highlighted very soon, and you'll be able to take a LinkedIn search URL, upload it, and it will scrape all the data for you. Google Maps, again, you can upload dentist in London or dentist UK or dentist USA, and it'll find you every single dentist on Google Maps within either town, city, state, or country. But what it does, it will also go and find the actual decision maker's email address, not just supply you the info, the hello, the sales that. It will actually go and find you the decision maker. So it's actually designed to find the perfect person for you. And obviously all of that is run by NAN. Don't worry if you've never used it before. We will show you step by step how to set it up. So that's either NAN directly with them or having your own server and having NAN work on your server. Pros and cons of both. NAN is obviously easier. I would say cheaper, but it's not, because you pay per transaction and workflow, but it's a lot easier because you've got support, or you build it onto your own server. Don't worry if I'm talking Chinese, but we show you how to install it onto your own server and how to set up each stage. And then within our school community, there's a downloads of the NAN workflows that you simply take and upload them to NAN with videos and documents that you can follow to show you the process of how to do it. So don't worry if you're not techie, there's a step-by-step guide for each way. So once you've got the NAN set up, you can upload a URL from Apollo. It will scrape all the data, it will check everything, and then it will upload it to high level. And I'm sure if you're here, most of you probably run in high level or thought about it. But high level is obviously the brains of the operation. So that takes the data in from the left-hand side into the system, and then we use the right-hand side to send out. However, we can't use the standard high-level routes of emailing because you're going to land in spam. And the reason we do that is because mailboxes, one mailbox, Lead Connector or Mailgun, even Google or Microsoft, are not built for cold outreach emails. So as soon as you start sending 100, 200, 300, 500,000 emails from one mailbox, you're gonna land in spam. So this is probably one of the most important parts of the lead generation machine, because you need a system to be able to handle the amount of emails that you want to be sending. There comes email scale, and how that works is, for instance, it will give you 50 inboxes. So that means your high level account will use 50 inboxes to send small amounts of emails out, and therefore you have a better deliverability chance with an average of 90%. So each one will send small amounts. It uses smart rotation, so it uses different inboxes to send. If it sends an email to one person and you want to send another email to the one person, it will use the same inbox that you used the first time. So the conversation flows. So therefore it's all done. Again, don't worry if you don't know how it works. Within the school community, it will work through how it works, how you set it up, how you plug it in, how you get your domains, how the inboxes work, how you warm them up, because it has its own AI warm up. It has its own IP reputation. So everything I'm going to go through step by step within inside our school community, that's totally free as well, will walk you through each aspect of what you need to do. And obviously, email scale is one of the key components to making sure that it sends. Because if you get the data into high level and you've got no way of then sending it out to generate yourself leads, well, you're just wasting all the time and the effort on the left-hand side. So you need to make sure the right is working correctly. So left side in, out, right, out to generate yourself leads. And obviously an email scale plugs into AI. You can't use GHL's conversational AI because it doesn't do replying to emails. We use CloseBot that obviously does. So therefore you can then make a full loop system using AI to reply to that. And then obviously then you've got AI involved, and then you can run other workflows like SMS, WhatsApp, AI cold calling, and everything else to run your system for you. So you start to generate this whole system. And our school community, that's totally free, is going to show you step by step how to run each part and set up each part of the lead engine, so you can then run it with inside your own high level, or if you want to sell it to other users, you can. And it's totally free. The downloads are free, the videos are free, school's free. The only thing that's going to cost you money is each part of the system to run it, because the scrapers are going to cost you money, to send emails are going to cost money, to run high level is going to cost money, AI bots are going to cost money. So if you think this is going to be a free system, not going to cost you any money, and it's going to be cheap, don't even waste your time setting it all up. It's going to cost you money to set up each part. But if you want a system that generates you leads on tap, that's going to generate you an income that you can sell as a business as well, then it's worth downloading and getting involved. Join the school community, fill out the link below. It will then send you the information to join, and then you will find in each section a step-by-step guide to set up each one and how it all works. Any issues, drop me a message. Look forward to seeing you, and I'll see you in the community.